Hi, I'm Dennis Hanson. This is my Triumph Speed 4. I got my bike all back together, and so I just want to do a little startup, show that it does run right, everything's good. It runs fantastic. I'm so happy I did all this, but it's going to be a cold start. Haven't run it for a couple days. Primed up. Alright, bike's come up to temperature, so I just do a hot start, make sure it's good. I'm happy. Alright, so I'm real happy about the way the bike runs. It runs as good as it's ever run since I've owned it, and that's been 14 years. I did want to show the plugs. These are the old plugs I took out. They look a little nasty, and the new ones made a huge difference. Just to talk about service intervals, you know, spark plugs you're supposed to do at 12,000 miles, so I'm at like 14,000, a little over. Supposed to check the valve clearance at 8,000. I'm way over on that, but it turned out to be alright. New fuel pump, new battery, got a lot of new parts. Cam cover seal, injector, let's see, battery, fuel pump, 4 plugs. All this cost me like $200, and it did take a little while to do it. I kind of do things when I want to do them as opposed to have to do them out of necessity, so this one dragged out a little bit, but you know, I'm really happy the way it all turned out. I needed to do this to the bike, and if you're going to go in there and do the plugs, you might as well check those valves. You know, then you don't have to worry about that. So anyway, that'll be it for this one. Thanks for watching.